rationalization from number system. Now, first of all, what is this rationalization? Rationalization is nothing but if I have a irrational number in my denominator, somehow making it, converting it into a rational number. But how can I do that? I very well know root 2. If I multiply with root 2, I will get 2. Root 2 is irrational and 2 is rational. So if somehow I multiply this denominator by root 2, it will become, denominator will become rational. But simply I can't make multiply it with 1 by root 2 because I'm changing the number. I have to convert it into, I have to convert denominator into rational but without changing the number. Acha, tell me one thing. I can multiply anything by 1. My 1 is multiplicative identity. And what is root 2 by root 2? Root 2 by root 2, if your denominator and numerator is same, it is 1. So I am multiplying it with 1 right now. So what I will get? I will get root 2 by 2. So basically if you see, I have pushed the rational number to numerator from denominator. This was the very first basic rationalization. Now, what if, how to rationalize my denominator if I have expressions like root 4 minus root 3. I have two terms here, root both in roots, both the root 4. Did you realize, is root 4 a rational or irrational? Root 4 is rational, it is nothing but 2. I write it purposely. Okay, even if you have one irrational number, it is irrational number only. We have discussed this in our previous videos. Now, how to make this number as rational? We all know, we all have done three identities: a plus b square, a minus b square, and a square minus b square. Now just see, if I do a square minus b square, what is it? A plus b, a minus b. All of us know about these identities. It's only I want you to make realize how these identities are helping us. Now if I square a plus b, I have a and b over here. So if I will do square of it, what I will get? I will get 2 square plus root 3 square minus 2 into 2 into root 3. Basically, I am making you realize why all identities won't help, why only. So this is 7 minus 4 root 3. Since my b term is irrational, it has root. In 2ab term, I got root, and even after squaring, I have got irrational number. Same will happen with a minus b whole square. Now let us see if I try implementing a plus b, a minus b. So what is, I have a minus b form over here, plus root 3. And if I multiply it with 2 plus root 3, I will apply formula a square minus b square. A is what? A is nothing but 2. B is what? Root 3. So 2 square minus root 3 square. So here in this identity, I have only squares. And I know if I'm doing square of a irrational number, if I'm doing square of irrational number, this root sign will go off and it will become rational. So what is it? 4 minus 3 equal to 1, and I got rational number. So if I multiply it with 2 plus root 3, my denominator will become rational. So this factor, this term 2 plus root 3 is called rationalizing factor for 2 minus root 3. So whatever in roots, whether a and b are roots, for a plus b, if a and b are in roots, for a plus b, a minus b is my rationalizing factor, and for a minus b, my a plus b is rationalizing factor. Now how can I use this? We took 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Now if I multiply it with 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. Same logic which I used for root 2 by root 2. It is multiplicative identity. This is nothing but 1. I can multiply anything by 1. So in denominator, in numerator, I will have 2 plus root 3, and in denominator I have just I did 2 square minus root 3 ka square, which is 2 plus root 3 by 1 equal to 2 plus root 3. So my denominator is rational now. I have done rationalization. There is no root, there is no irrational number in my denominator. I hope you understood the basic concept of rationalization. We'll be doing lot of questions for practice in my upcoming videos, so that concept become more clear. When we do questions, it become more clear, and then we start thinking what was taught, what was explained. Right now when I'm explaining it, though I'm explaining the example only, it might not be going like it now your mind not be able to digest it completely. So just go through it. Try practicing some questions from books. I will also come with some questions. Till then, see you. Happy practicing. Bye bye.